I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans were lower. It seems that the rain in Argentina is really pressing the futures down. Demand is sluggish, and that's adding to the bearish sentiment and really the reversal of the soybean rally. You know, that today marks the third day in a row that the market has been lower, and it's possibly turning the short-term trend to the downside. There's still a lot to be had about what's happening down in South America, but we're going to watch that closely. Corn was just really drifting. It had a very narrow range. The lackluster trade just moved futures sideways. It's consolidating in a phase right now, and that's continuing to build. The positive is that we are holding in our area, and it is, we're at a high that we haven't seen in quite a while for corn. And so if we get any more fundamental news to possibly give it some more follow-through buying, we could get somewhat of a lift. Today, the U.S. dollar index really didn't help because it was up today. And there was like some concerns that possibly the Feds could get a little more aggressive and we could have 4 additional rate hikes this year. That certainly would put a lid on any kind of rally in the commodities for the short term. But overall, this could be good to at least give us a market, a two-sided market somewhat. Now, wheat was slipping today too. Some profit taking was continuing. Again, 3 days in a row. The market really had a pretty good run up, but all the conditions, the weather conditions are still an issue here, and it seems that the U.S. dollar index is really like playing a little bit of a role. We do have big global supplies. We know that the demand is kind of soft right now. We're trying to eat through it. If we can get that U.S. dollar index a little bit lower, we can see wheat moving back up. And of course, we're not going to know about any kind of crop damage or yield numbers until the snow melts. So we're still a few months away from that. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.